Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the top foods I ate to heal and regrow my hair. The first would be bone broth. So bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin and amino acids. The best amino acids are proline and glycine. This basically strengthens the hair follicles. It also improves scalp circulation and it's rich in collagen. So collagen basically maintains the structural integrity of the hair fibers and reduces thinning overall. The next one we have is avocados. So avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. They're also rich in vitamin E and biotin. So vitamin E basically improves the blood circulation and biotin supports production of keratin. The next one I had was liver, grass-fed from grass-fed cows. So liver is basically one of the powerhouses of nutrients. So it has lots of important nutrients such as vitamin A, iron and copper. So vitamin A basically helps the scalp produce sebum, which basically moisturizes your scalp. And this is crucial for hair health. It also has iron, which supports a healthy blood flow to the scalp. So basically the next one, I had lots of salmon or fatty fish in general. Fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. This is really good for reducing inflammation. It also promotes circulation and promotes production of healthy oils, which is really good in moisturizing your hair. The next one is berries, such as blueberries, raspberries and blackberries. Those are the three main ones that I had. They are rich in antioxidants, rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, and the vitamin C basically helps absorption of iron through plant-based foods. Now, ginger is another one that I found was critical to my hair growth. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory properties, and what I used to do was make loads of ginger teas. This would reduce my inflammation in the morning and help my digestion. It would also fix my leaky gut at the same time. It leads to better nutrient delivery to the hair follicles, and this is absolutely what you need. If you want to have another option, the best option would be to make ginger turmeric shots in the morning, because turmeric is another anti-inflammatory type of food. So if you make shots every morning of ginger and turmeric and maybe some black pepper in there too, then it will be really good for building back your hair. Another one is leafy greens in the form of spinach, kale and Swiss chard. So these are rich in iron and folate and also rich in vitamins A and C. So iron helps blood cells carry nutrients to hair follicles and folate helps with cell division. These are all critical for hair health. All of these foods basically have a balanced nutrient profile. They support hormonal balance, they reduce your inflammation, which is critical for hair health, and they support blood circulation overall. I just want to say that I didn't limit myself to just these foods. I would just say that these are the most important foods that I used to grow my hair back, but there are several other foods that you do need to include. For instance, you could include pumpkin seed, chia seed, flax seed, because these are all rich in omega-3s. You can include mushrooms because they are rich in vitamin D, coconut oil because it's rich in lauric acid, and lauric acid basically has antimicrobial properties, which is really good for you. Garlic is another one that's basically a prebiotic, and what the prebiotics do is they feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which creates a really good diverse microbiome, and this way you will not have any of that inflammation, acne, candida, all of this stuff. Green tea is another one. I never really liked the taste of green tea, but having coffee in the morning could be a problem. So what I did instead was I used green tea, and if I didn't like the taste of it, I put some raw honey inside, and what that did was lower my cortisol in the morning and it reduced my inflammation overall throughout the day. Citrus fruits are also worth mentioning because citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is critical in hair development. It's very hard to get vitamin C from like natural sources apart from having citrus fruits. So have citrus fruits like clementines, oranges, lemons, and make sure you get that all included and your hair will happily thank you. Thank you for listening in.